So today here at College View Elementary School for National STEM Day, we were kicking off our Denver Broncos Science of Football program, and so excited to be able to have over 150 students interact in our activities that are scattered all throughout the school. They were learning about Newton's law, trajectory of ball flight, reaction time, wingspan, vertical jump, broad jump. We even were able to have retired Broncos players, the cheerleaders, a current Broncos player within Justin Simmons, all out here engaging with the student.
My name is Leanna Belk and I am the PE dance teacher here at College View Elementary School. The kids were super stoked all week. Actually, the week before they were told, and then it kind of just rose from there. And today you could really feel it and you could see it. And the kids will definitely remember this day for many, many years down the road. Kids are already talking about it, and they were super stoked to meet Bronco players, to do all the stations, and it was just something really unique for them.